Hello friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to learn about the sum function in Excel. This video I am going to add in my Excel series videos. Okay, sum function, the basic work of sum function is to add all the values in a given range. Okay, so we have a data with us. We have the student data in which we have some student names. There are five student names. They are scoring the marks in given three subjects, that is English, Maths and Science. We are going to make the total of all these three subjects for a particular student. Okay, so for that reason we required the sum function. So here we are going to use the sum function. The syntax of sum function is equal to, you all knows that when we are going to write the function, initially we are going to uh, write first equal to sign in a particular cell, then the function name. Here we are going to use the sum function. Okay, sum function is given over here. Then I have to use the bracket symbol. Then I have to mention the range. So here I am going to mention the range from F8 to H8. Okay, so first I'm going to select the F8 cell, then I'm going to drag from that cell to H8 cell. Okay, so all these range is selected here, so it shows in the sum function from F8 colon H8. So this is the particular range. Then we have to close the bracket and press enter. So here the sum is displayed over here, total of all subject marks. Then again we are going to do the same thing. You can repeat with me. Is equal to sign, then sum, then again bracket open. I have to select the range from F9 to H9. Okay, then bracket close and I have to press enter. If you don't want to repeat such steps again and again, then select a particular cell of the formula, and then this symbol, if your cursor is converted to plus sign, then click right click on it and then drag from up to down, so it will calculate all our values. Okay, so this is our simple sum function. If you want to use this formula, or if you want to remember this formula, it is very easy to remember. There is another method with which you can do the summation of the values or add the values. So we will visit our second sheet. Same data is given over here. Okay, so here in Excel you have the inbuilt function of AutoSum. Just you have to select the uh, rows or columns. Then in ribbon, in the home tab, you will find this AutoSum function. Okay, so it will do the automatic summation. So automatic summation has been done. Again we are going to repeat the same step. Again we are going to select the three subjects marks for Rupesh. Go to the ribbon in the home tab. AutoSum symbol is there. Click on it. You will again find the sum, and you can repeat the same step which we repeat in the previous sheet. You have the cursor. Okay, that cursor is converted to the plus sign and drag from that portion to the downwards till the end. So you will get the summation of all the values. Okay, so thank you my friends. This is the today's sum function, how it will work in the Excel. So you can like my videos and subscribe my channel, so please do so. And I required your comments so that I can encourage to make another videos. Thank you so much. So we will thank you, we will stop here. Thank you, have a nice day. Bye bye.